Sometimes we think of leaders and leaderships as something that we might one day aspire to. One day we'll be a leader. One day, if we work hard, somebody will acknowledge us. Sometimes we feel that if we're identified as a leader, it might be that we're sticking our neck out and people might think, you know what, that person thinks they're above everybody else. But that's actually not what it's about. Girls, as I've said, you are all leaders within our Pymble family. You've all done something, said something. You've all made a difference to somebody else's life. You've all made somebody feel proud of who they are. You've made them feel accepted as a part of this community, and you've made them feel valued. To me, you are all leaders. I'd encourage you to keep in mind the incredible impact that you have made and you can continue to make through your everyday leadership within this Pymble family. Let's start with Student Representative Council Vice President. This year, Lucy Fang. Okay, this year's Student Representative Council President. I know you're all wondering who it is. I can see Mrs. Shaw over there ready to go. Shiva Shankri, our two boarding deputy head prefects for next year, Madeline Warden and Annabelle Webb. Okay, girls, I think this deserves a little drum roll on the floor with your hands. Deputy Head Prefect for next year, Vivica Tang. Boarding Head Prefect, Isabel Wilson. And now to our last girl standing at the back near the chairs there, our Head Prefect for 2020, Annabelle Richards.